Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Endless Mountain Learning Center. So this is a monthly subscription that contains a bunch of activities that are screen free. So I love that. We're gonna take a look at what's inside. Oh, how cute. Well, that's adorable, the packaging. And then up here on the lid, let me scroll up so you can see it. So here's what the inside of the lid looks like. It says what's inside. Inside you'll find a variety of activities and books and materials you'll need to complete those activities to gain access to step-by-step tutorials. It does contain small parts. It's not suitable for children under the age of 3, but it does have curriculum codes on the right that are little buttons that are color coordinated and coded for you. Very cool. And obviously it's beautifully packaged. This is so pretty. Little thank you card. They also have social media. I will try to remember to link all that below, including their social media. Curriculum guide for the winter. Hope you enjoy this kit as much as we did creating it for you. Let's get started. Who we are, what's inside the guide. And she actually owns a child care facility in Pennsylvania. So she has experience with children and helping them learn. So we have an alphabet matching and word building. Tells you everything that you need, questions to ask, gives you everything in there. There's watercolor paper and all the accessories for that. Matching snowman buttons. Penguin counting, that's cute. Printing winter words. Read with me. Snowflake wreath. Water bead sensory. Watercolor ice experiment. That would have been perfect for us to do last week. It snowed so much here and it was freezing. Winter canvas salt art. That sounds really fun. Winter I Spy. Winter Play-Doh. Winter unicorn snow. Winter yoga. Winter roll and cover. Wooden snowflake. And then their spring box will be released soon. That is a ton of activities. So we have, oh, I see a kid's favorite book in here. We have a book about penguins. Kids love reading and penguins are adorable. Jackson is obsessed with There Was a Old Lady or There Was a Cold Lady. So this is a favorite in our household. Great book. Also have Little Bear's Special Friend. It's adorable. And then this is for the snowman or snowflake wreath. They have them all labeled in a bag so it's easy to grab. Cute little glitter snowflake stickers, felt wreath, and some string in there. Winter finger plays. So there's some songs. Oh, okay. That's cute. So it's a whole book of little songs that you can sing. And it tells you what it's to the tune of. There's several of those. Winter yoga. This is laminated. Ice skating, polar bear. That's super cute. Sledding, skiing was on the other one. Snowball, snowflake, snowman. And then this is let's see. Winter Wonderland Snow. Each packet of snow will expand to about 24 ounces. Add 2 cups of clean water and mix. Snow will instantly begin expanding to be fully expanded within 24 hours. Do not eat. Do not dispose of in a septic system. That's cool. That's neat. I've never seen that. The kids are gonna love that. It's really cool if you don't live somewhere that has snow. If you live in a warmer climate, then the kids can play with something that's like snow. Very cute. Next we have some Play-Doh. Purple, white, also have blue. Adorable penguins. One of each kind of color. Play-Doh accessories. There's some little jewels in there. Sticks and trees. Also have penguin cards for one of the other activities. Button cards. I remember that was one of them. So I guess they're all numbered. Let me take a look. It's a little hard to get out of the bag. So these are all laminated, and I guess you just match them. Obviously I have to go back and read the instructions, but there's 1 through 9, and then the buttons that coordinate with the snowman people. Very cute. Bonus materials. Looks like, oh, glitter. It's beautiful. And then some more snowflake stickers. Epsom salt and table salt for that salt recipe, salt activity rather. Some cups for mixing. A wooden snowflake. I think that goes with this. I can't remember what the salt activity was. But if it's what I'm envisioning in my head, the salt kind of like grows on what you put it on. Some extra materials, so we have glue, dropper, some letters, foam dice, a marker, dry erase marker, several paintbrushes, some little washi tapes, a balloon, another dice, some, water beads, little Orbeez, everything in there. Also have some paints, purple, white, and blue. I'm amazed by how much is packed in here. I've gotten several activity kits for kids before, but this one I think is really, really packed with stuff. This I could assume is for the little penguin people to go on. I'll have to sit down and read it in more detail. Also have a blank canvas for an art project. Winter I Spy. This is also laminated, so you can use the dry erase markers on it, erase it, and reuse it. So Winter I Spy. We have matched the alphabet letters to each letter in the box. Snowball roll and cover. Practice printing or tracing with a dry erase marker. Also have the months. December, January, February. A couple of those. And then a piece of paper at the bottom, like thick, what do you call that paper? Cardstock? I think that might be what it's called. It took me way too long to think of what that was called, but I love this. Oh my gosh. And I love that a lot of them are reusable. This whole pile, all this stuff, could reuse it. It's not a one-time activity. It's not a one-time craft. It can be reused. Some of them obviously can't, but I love that aspect. You get something to keep with it. And tons of Play-Doh you can reuse for other things, and paint. Very, very cool. So if you guys are interested, I will link all their information below. I give this kit an A+. I've reviewed several. This one's really awesome. I like it. All the stuff's really cute and colorful, and I know my daughter especially is going to enjoy this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.